Hello everyone, welcome to Happy Young Channel. I am Happy.
I am Money.
I am Kingsley.
Today we will open a Goo Goo bird baby cupboard. Okay, now it is at outside. Let's go to bring it. Let's go. Before my video start, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share our videos. Okay, let's go. Let's go. This is a deer cupboard for food. Okay, let's bring it home. Come here. Got two stickers, look like this, a installation guide, a book, the three big support panels, and one disc. Also the deer panels, the deer look like this. Okay, then this A screw, I call it A screw. Okay, got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, got 19 this A screw. Then another one, and this metal one, the small one. Okay, can you see? Got 8. Okay, 8. Let us count how many. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And a pair of screw. Okay, this got 19, and this, the metal one, small one, got 8, and one screwdriver got 1 only. Okay, let's start the installation guide. The first step we want to do is you take this support panels, L-shaped one. Okay, then you will see 2 holes at the back. Can you see? 1 hole, 2 holes. Okay, then take another support panel. You will see at the L shape, and here got 2 holes also. Every this support panel got hole at here and the back. Okay, how you can attach them together to make the bar, something like bar, maybe not bar, I don't know how to say that. Okay, you must put it like this. Attach them first, then use this, the metal one, this screw. Can you see? This metal one, you screw it here from the back using the screwdriver. Okay, screw it like this. then they will attach together. You must attach these 3 together. Okay, let's go. You take this, the gear panels, and put it at the side. Okay.
另外一边，另外一边转，这个那个东西转，
这样子。
对，这操，这一个。
A screw to lock. The next step is the remain disc, right? You put it here and also screw just like the same. Okay. Then this is using the B screw, the metal one, to lock. You can turn it back and lock it. Em biết của tin nó sao? Cái thao xịt của sao nó mới chẳng được sao. Nó chỉ弄完这个才可以套。Then, before this, you see here remains 2 holes. After this, you see these 2 holes is fully one. Okay, you just put it using screw A. You can use a coin to lock. Okay, let's go. After this is using the screw A to lock it. 不用这样近，远点。我叫你看看你 camera 有没有事情吗？
忍不住爬上脸角过去的雨。
那你帽子有没有顶到？
杀谁人？我要杀谁人猎来？
我跟你讲过，以后在拍东西的时候，你不要再叫我，
怎么？
因为你讲的话每次我都懂了，你只是在那边讲废话哦。
但是把 camera 移过去那边。
我一直都不想听你。如果我不准，对不对？你还把那声音录进去。I think this is the final mode. Okay.
那个
This. Okay. Let's put the sticker. Go. Let's go to see some product pictures. Let's go. This is the last thing we want to say. Don't forget to like, subscribe
and share
our videos. Bye bye.